All right, here's a question. Y equal to x squared plus 12x minus 4. And it says, which one of the following equations is equivalent to this one? And we have these equations. 1, y equal to x plus 1, x plus 6 squared minus 40. 2, y is equal to x plus 6 squared minus 4. 3, y is equal to x minus 6 squared plus 28. And fourth one, y equal to x plus 12 squared minus 148. So now here, first of all, what are these? These are the vertex. So not the 6, x plus 6 equal to 0, which is negative 6. Negative 6 is the x value, and then negative 40 is the y value of the vertex of the parabola. It follows this equation. Y equal to x minus h squared plus k. So if you compare with this one, if you set up x minus h equal to x plus 6, you see that this h is equal to negative 6. So h and k are the coordinates of the vertex. So in this case, h and k is coordinate, it's negative 6 and negative 4. These are h and k. In this case, it was negative 6 and 40. H and k here is what? 6 and 28. In this case, it's negative 12 and negative 148. So, but when you have the parabola quadratic equation in standard form, which is this one, what is standard form? This is standard form. Y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. I'll solve this different ways. So if you have this, and over there you have the vertex, which is all these 4 vertices that I just mentioned. I wrote it with blue color. I can get the vertex here, and then the x and y value, and then compare and see which one it is. To find the vertex, x value, axis of symmetry, you're going to find axis of symmetry, which is x equal to negative b over 2a. And then when you found this, you're going to plug it into the y equation, into this parabola, into this one, and then find the y value. So what is negative b over 2a? X value is equal to negative b, which is negative 12, over 2a. A is 1, which is 2. That's going to give us just negative 6. And it's already clear that there's only 2, so this eliminates these 2. So there are 2 negative 6s. So x equal to negative 6. And then what is y? You plug this into the equation. So y is equal to negative 6 squared plus 12 times negative 6 minus 4. So y is going to be equal to negative 2 squared. Negative 6 squared is 36. 12 times negative 6 is negative 72 minus 4. This is going to be negative 36 minus 4 is going to give us negative 40. That's y value. Therefore, the vertice for this parabola is -6. The vertex -6, x value of -6, and y value of -40. Okay, and then that's how you find it. Now there's another method that I'll show you here. That's a great time to explain that. So I'm gonna write the original problem again. Y was equal to x squared plus 12x minus 4. So we wanna, if you noticed, all these answers are in perfect square form. See, they have to the second power. This is in perfect square form. This is in perfect square form. So we can convert our parabola this into perfect square form. What we do is like this. So y is equal to, you're going to write these two down, x squared plus 12x. You open the space and then put the -4 at the end. In this space, you need to add and subtract the number which makes this quantity a perfect square. And how you're going to get that? Just a simple trick. You divide this by 2 and square it. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and the square is going to be 36. So you're going to add 36 and subtract 36. Why we're adding and subtracting 36? Because we don't want to change this equation, because adding 36 and subtracting 36 is just 0. But why we do that, if you look carefully now, this x squared plus 12x plus 36 is a perfect square, which is going to be x plus 6 to the second power. Because square root of x squared is x, square root of 36 is 6. And if you multiply, you FOIL this, you're going to get 12x in the middle term also. So we set it up into perfect square form, but there is two things left, which is these two. We're going to combine them together. -36 minus 40 is what? -40. So this was the second way, just solving the problem and making it in perfect square form, which is right here. Okay, it's done.